Nike Membership Rewards Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to this review of Nike Membership Rewards. Nike's free membership program is designed for anyone who values fitness, performance, and exclusive benefits. Members gain access to early releases of products, personalized training plans, exclusive discounts, and rewards tailored to their activity. The standout feature is early access to limited edition sneakers, perfect for sneakerheads who don't want to miss out. For fitness enthusiasts, Nike Training Club and Nike Run Club integrations allow you to track workouts and runs, earning rewards for staying consistent. For example, hitting milestones like running a set number of miles or completing challenges unlocks perks like discounts or free gear. The membership also offers birthday rewards, often a percentage off purchases, and free shipping on Nike's website. It's ideal for athletes, gym goers, and casual wearers alike, as it provides tools and incentives for an active lifestyle while catering to those who simply love Nike's iconic gear. A bonus is access to member-exclusive events like live workouts or fitness workshops hosted by professional trainers and athletes. Using the program is seamless. After signing up through the Nike app or website, everything integrates into your profile. The app notifies you of exclusive offers, sneaker drops, or challenges so you won't miss opportunities to earn rewards. From my experience, the app is intuitive, the rewards are genuinely useful, and the constant stream of personalized content, whether it's workout tips or styling suggestions, is well targeted. However, it's worth noting that the benefits lean heavily toward frequent Nike customers. If you rarely purchase Nike products or use their fitness apps, you may not fully enjoy the rewards. But for active users, it's a no-brainer. The program feels like a thank you from Nike, encouraging loyalty with tangible benefits that align with their audience's interests. In summary, Nike Membership Rewards is a fantastic, user-friendly program packed with perks for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, and Nike fans. It rewards you for both your activity and purchases, making it more than just a loyalty program. It's a lifestyle enhancer. If you're already using Nike's apps or love their products, joining is an easy decision.